So hi, this is Vivek and today we are going to see about the manufacturing process of corrugation boxes, and today we are at Arun Packaging at Sivakasi. There are totally 5 stages in processing and I am going to show you guys step by step process. So let's go on. These are the raw materials which they get from the paper mill as paper wheels. The first process is single phase corrugation process, and in this process these two paper reels are processed into corrugation roll with knurlings. So after single phase corrugation process, the output will be like this. You can see the knurlings here. The one side it will be having knurlings and the other side it will be plain. These are the foldings of the paper. From corrugation roll, it is cutted into corrugation sheet as per size required. So after corrugation process, it goes to pasting process. So in this process, these two sheets are pasted into one. You can see this. These two sheets are pasted into one sheet. From pasting process, it goes to slitting and creasing process. In this process, the corrugation sheet is cutted as per size required. These are the creasing lines which helps in folding. After creasing process, it goes to slotting process. After slotting process, it goes to pinning process. After pinning process, the output will be like this. You can see this. After all process, you will get the output like this. This is the upper box and this is the lower box. In upper box, there is an extra one process is going on, that is pasting of sticker over the box. So you can see this. So the final output will be like this. So this is the finished product. I hope you guys now understood the manufacturing process of corrugation boxes. Each and every corrugation boxes depends on shapes and sizes. And I hope you guys now enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe and see you soon on our next video.